This is crazy, guys. What in the cell phone commercial is this? I've never seen a cell phone commercial like this, guys. This is crazy. Pablo Escobar's brother done picked up a cell phone and decided to replicate it. He done picked up the Samsung Fold. Now he making his own version. And from the looks of it, this shit is lit. Rest in peace to Samsung.com. These folks is going crazy, breaking up some of the most expensive cell phones in the game, going straight for the competitor. And they got ladies in bikinis doing it, guys. I mean, I don't know. Y'all see what I'm saying? But this has got to be at least a first, At least they trying some marketing. At least these folks could go over to HTC, LG, and help them out. Because if anything, even if they never sell a phone, people is going to see this commercial. This is crazy. As you can see, the Fold is demolished. Is this the end of the Samsung Fold? Are they taking Samsung spot as far as the foldables go? Let's check it out.
EscobarInc.com.
What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and I'm just doing something a little different today. Want to have a conversation with y'all about something I just seen that kind of threw me off. I'm out and about, but still wanted to put a little something together for my people, right? So here we have it. It's a real thing. The Pablo Escobar, the Fold 2 phone. And this is just throwing me off like it's an exact copy of the Fold device that should be coming out, or the Fold 2 or whatever. It's the exact copy of the Fold from Samsung. Y'all know I ain't big on foldable phones, but they like straight up copy Samsung. They made a website, a rest in peace website full of Samsung. So this thing is all the way crazy. And I mean, you can get it for $399. Where the regular Fold from Samsung will cost you about 2 stacks damn near, this phone only costs $399 and it's a foldable. I really couldn't get no video on it, but it's gonna have like a 1920 by 1440 screen. That's gonna be 7.8 inches. And it's gonna be the PPI be 311 PPI. The screen ratio is that 4:3. So it's just, it's just something interesting. And the actual company, the brand is Escobar, and the manufacturer is Escobar Inc., Escobar Incorporated. You get 512 variant. This is really just some interesting stuff right here, man. It's going to have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 series. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but it'll have a Snapdragon. It's octa-core, 2.8 gigahertz. And it's just funny, man. Like the people that's doing the marketing for this Pablo Escobar phone is kind of lit, man. Like they tripping. Like they got a lot going on in the commercials, and they going straight at Samsung. Like HTC should have took some notes, man. This stuff is crazy. I mean, you got the girls in the video. They destroying folds in the video. It's just hilarious, man, and it's real. So Samsung, you better watch out. They got a rear camera that's 20 megapixels, a front-facing camera that's 16 megapixels. It's Type-C, and you can find it at EscobarInc.com. I think that's for the Fold 1. They got the Fold 1 and they got the Fold 2. And I'm not understanding exactly how that works, whether the Fold 2 is just it seems like the Fold 2 is the 512 version and the Fold 1 is the 128 gigabyte version. They did a release, but the phone never officially dropped. But soon you get you a Fold for about $300, guys. $400. You can have a foldable phone. Even though y'all know how I feel about them foldables, man. It is all the way crazy. And this is actually made by Pablo Escobar's blood brother, so this could get dangerous too, man. Like they send the shots your way, y'all might can't send them shots back, because at the end of the day, these is like a drug cartel type folks for real. At the end of the day, so I don't know. I want y'all to be safe, Samsung, because Escobar's family is coming for y'all head. It's just, It's just crazy, man. It's wild. If you haven't done so, go follow the new BG Tech Life. Follow on Instagram the BG_Tech Life. I know I had the regular BG Tech Life, but go ahead and follow the BG_Tech Life. And yeah, this is your man BG Tech Life, man. I just wanted to share some craziness with y'all. I'm out. Peace.